5 ideas to help you manage your time together. 1. Communicate with one another. Effective time management arguably involves communication the most. Stress is unnecessary increased when we learn at the last minute that we have something booked for the same day. Even though neither of us is particularly good at remembering things, there is a better possibility when two of us are aware of forthcoming events and activities we need to prepare for. Reminding each other of these things is helpful. We can now keep track of each other's schedules, both for things we are doing jointly and individually, thanks to the calendars we share. I now feel much more organized and less anxious as a result of doing this. 2. Designate a rest day. We decided to try arranging a day of nothing when we both felt our stress levels were rising. Additionally, it must be arranged since otherwise, a free day is taken up with everything. This has been really challenging because we have family to visit, errands to run, wedding preparations to finish, game evenings to host, and people who want to spend time with us. Staying in bed all day seems like a waste. But I believe it will be crucial to my survival and mental stability. I require the rest. My mind needs to stop working so hard and get some rest. 3. Perform tasks together. We can feel as though we must choose between having a tidy home and clean clothes or spending time with one another. We frequently complete chores together so that we don't lose out on any quality time. A quiet moment for bonding has been spent preparing dinner together. He doesn't mind if I stay in while he does laundry or that I get picked up after dropping my car off at the mechanic. Additionally, I believe that engaging in these activities as a couple is a beneficial prelude to marriage. 4. Recognize when to refuse. It takes balance to say no. I want to accept every time. A buddy needs assistance with childcare. Sure. We've received a movie invitation? Please, yes. We're selling pies to earn money for our church. Move along. Is brunch on the agenda for my family? No doubt. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.